Do you want to walk for the camera? Do you want to walk for the camera? No? Did you go swimming yesterday? Can you show me bum bum? Can you show me bum? What do you do in music class?
A what?
That's Arrow. How does Arrow pant? Oh, careful. Cover your mouth when you cough. Good job. What did he do? Did he leave? What? Camera. Hi. Are you going to record? Okay, let's see what you're going to record. Careful. What is this called? Camera. I can't have it? She's videotaping herself.
Iggy.
Show your shoe. You have to show it the other way. Look, then you can see your shoe.
Gee, you can
See
see
Mama.
Mommy through that?
Okay.